Ready? Latam.
Vuelo número 2000.
Connection flight. Portugal. Connection flight. Exit this way.
Ito kaya ako sa map.
Very weekend.
Thank you.
Dako ba yun, Roy?
Dako di ay. No? Pindot.
I guess that's why she was there.
Chill sa takadiyot na ibe po kiti ra.
Mausa ka?
I asked her several times never bring that.
No, pilas naman rin niya. Ngita lang ko o mag-map.
Dai, magsugod ko dayon dai.
Mag-briefing pa siguro na.
Yeah.
No?
The perfect job to get to know the city too. My first ever job here. I'm very familiar with those hills. I've been guiding for 7 years. This is a little more fun. I get to meet people from different places every day. And yeah, let's. Hi, what's your names?
Hi, I'm Sonia.
And
RG
RG. Where are you guys from?
of the US.
Where about?
Florida.
Florida. It's warmer over there, no?
Yeah. Wow. Alcohol ako
Very
na
good,
da.
very good. Welcome to Porto.
Gusto ko ka more?
Why did it end? We call it democracy. Before that, we had the longest dictatorship ever of the West. It was a fascist regime that lasted 48 years. In 1997, they reopened it as a photography museum, and that's what it is today, a photography museum. So the Vivian Mir is paid for, but if you don't care much for Vivian, everything else is free. Around this area, all the other options. The other day I was asked, it's the Conflict Museum, which is the former courthouse.
Roy sono disordinate le case, ma non così tanto.
No,
Would be torture to you. Here's the deal. This is a very old city, and it's first established by the Romans first arrived, and they stayed 700 years. All the way to the 5th. Started in the 8th. From all over Europe, the Kingdom of Leon fought and got Galicia back. So now there's two kingdoms, Leon and Galicia. But as Christians continue, 6 also tells you this bridge is 3 years older than the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, that's only as it is. The monastery is no longer playing any religious role. It's actually part of the army barracks.
Oh.
So if you have the chance, be there. I'm not sure about the clouds this afternoon, but if it gets better, you should definitely.
See, and it gives me a sign. Perfect.
To England before Portugal, historic. 18th century, neoclassic. 19th century, Art Nouveau, 20th. I'm sure you've been to great like cities like New York or Amsterdam already. You're quite. It does because it's different. It's organic. It's. And I think we're one of the luckiest cities ever. Think about it. This is Western Europe. Tsunamis in Porto. That's what I'm saying.
Anyway, that's not
It's really sad.
Yeah.
This is the most beautiful donut.
Let's get you, right? Let's get
In 19th. Centuries was Portuguese. In fact, if you Google Ceuta flag, you'll see 5 shields.
Hungry.
No stress, sir. A pleasure to meet you. Anything else I can do for you before you go? Up this way, and it's the real market where the merchants sell their stuff. And if you're same spot, it costs you $2.50 each. See where the merchants just turned off?
Yep. Look at that.
Are we okay with the group?
Gold plate, no.
We won't tell.
You won't know? I won't either. I'm just going to let you know this is going to be on social media. In fact, there was this illegal Republican Party who awaited the royal family in Comércio Square, Lisbon, which is the most popular square there. And suddenly, out of the blue, no one saw it coming, the king was shot. He said actually yes and not 57 more blood, 68 blood shed. And this is derailing real quick. And I stopped in 68 so we can do some math. Let's go back to day 1, when the dictatorship started. That's why I'm asking all of these questions.
Yeah.
I'm not judging. 3, 2, and 1. What kind of trip is this?
Oh,
There. Yeah, and we'll talk about it.
roast beef avoided. The property that was
Is it a free tour as well?
the tuna.
No, this is this is at 4:30. It's 1 o'clock now, and you wanted to rest. I'm just reminding you.
That's fine. Yeah, we can do that. I'm actually okay. You're feeling better. Yeah.
Yes, we
Can we keep
thank
one
you.
menu?
Amazing.
can get you the chicken without the whole salad.
Sorry.
That's okay. Go ahead. Sorry.
The menus I take here, okay?
Okay, thank you, my friend. Padre.
And where was this one?
What's that?
Let me choose a drink.
I don't remember what the last one was.
I don't know.
Rolando always says it. That's why I don't remember. I'm not even.
Good. I sense that.
Like appetizer.
Hopefully I can get a screenshot of this because
Where's that?
it's hard. Were you there last year?
The Green River and all that. So we have friends that live up with the Delta 8.
Wow.
Yes, I did $2 before we got here, and we just leave you, whatever, on time. So.
These are Jasmine's items.
That I wear.
Possível quando chegando perto, digamos, da zona do dorso superior. É uma quinta, portanto, com uma diversidade de altitude e de exposição devido aos contornos da vinha, que dá, digamos, a esta propriedade condições muito específicas.
But we also have some extreme weather, especially during summer. We have high temperatures over there. And to age all the aging in here. Actually, this is a building that comes from here. Even use any kind of AC. Over here, guys, put yourselves comfortable. I have some images for you that will help you to understand how things work around.
Anything else, guys? So far, so good?
Okay? Later on, the brand suffered some families already knew each other for a long time. Guys, when we talk about similitudes, we actually don't only talk about port wines, we also talk about table wines, the most classic ones that you're probably more used to consume.
Let's see if I can take a picture of us in this camera.
In here, we keep what we call the ruby ports, okay? In these barrels, we can generate oxidation. And that will transform not only the aromas, the flavor of the wine. Here we want to keep this fresh and fruity profile. That's the reason why 20 from the same year we have less wine in contact. Everything to keep more of the wine we have. So 6 will like it's an amazing wine. And they just kept that until nowadays.
No, she's going to show us the vintage. The vintage wine.
Okay. The biggest part is some priceless. We've never had this one. In here you have dates, vintages. No, we have some that are more famous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyone? But feel free if you want to go out. I'm sure that you have the best.
We're taking our shirt with it. So you remember.
Guys, we don't.
White port with tonic water, okay? Fresh, dangerous. It's a ruby, okay, for the ones that don't have white. Some will be starting with a 6 grapes, and others we done inside the wine cellar. You know that this our red fruit, but you know that 6 grapes it's younger. So over there you already have some floral notes. You guys over there are actually able to compare both the youngest ruby with the more evolved one. Guys, actually we haven't talked during the tour, but you'll have different times to consume these wines depending on the...
So nice. I like that one.
We're at work, Donna.
is like your computer screen,
This is gonna be, yes.
your desktop screen. Oh. I will take.
Wild.
Oh yeah, I like this because it's. I like it. Smile.
But the thing about it is like you learn something, right? Yeah, when you learn from something, I really don't like. Probably the regret is like you were really sick.
Yeah, because I drank too much. That's what it was. Food tasting. We had a food tour.
I know her enough. I mean, I've known her since I was a teenager. One time to a like a meditation, a sound meditation thing with her.
Wow.
And one of her, I think it was her sister-in-law or something.
Oh, okay.
Found it. You're so good.
Like this one's 4.7 star.
You. I know, the second time.
She gave it to the food section.
It's good. 45 cents off. Wow. Or €1 off. We did a good job. So it came in good.
I made a mistake.
Oh, no worries.
Okay, that's okay. This is the onion. Is there any onions here? That's the onions. Yeah, at the bottom. Ooh. I got some action.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I think, what is that? Got it? No, I like
Did
this
you
one.
go?
But she can skip it. But she told me.
Oh, you need
So
help?
it's like about,
Oh, you got it.
running away.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Welcome. Enjoy anything else?
I think that's it for now.
Perfect.
Yeah, it was
It's
so
good.
Yeah,
It's good. Yeah. Really good.